In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Mozilla Firefox for Windows 11 in just a few simple steps. If you're looking for a fast, secure, and reliable browser, Firefox is a great choice, and the best part is that the download process is quick and easy. Before we begin, make sure you're connected to the internet and that you have access to any web browser already installed on your Windows 11 PC, such as Microsoft Edge. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your current web browser. On most Windows 11 computers, Microsoft Edge is already installed, so you can use that right away. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar and type download Firefox. After that, press enter on your keyboard or click the search icon to begin the search. Now you'll see a list of search results. What you want to do here is find the official Firefox download page. Be careful not to click on random third-party websites because the safest way to get Firefox is always from the official source. Look for the result that clearly says Mozilla Firefox or Firefox official download page, then click it. Once the official Firefox page loads, you should see a download button that says Download Now. This is the button that will start the process of getting Firefox onto your Windows 11 computer. Click Download Now, and the browser should begin downloading the Firefox installer automatically. Depending on your browser settings, the download may appear in the top or bottom of the window. Wait for the file to finish downloading completely. After that, you can open the downloaded file to begin installing Firefox on Windows 11. If a security prompt appears, that is normal. Just follow the on-screen instructions to continue the installation, and that's it. You've now learned how to download Mozilla Firefox for Windows 11 using the web browser method. It only takes a minute. And once it's installed, you'll be ready to start browsing with Firefox right away. If this video helped, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more helpful Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.